Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating barya ngayon guys, ang 10 baht coins ito guys ng Thailand. Tapusin ang video guys dahil mayroon itong napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito guys sa ating pagpangulikta ng mga barya guys. The rarest 10 baht Thai coins are often those with extremely low mintages. Particularly the 10 baht coin from 1990 BA 2533 with a reported mintage of only 100 pieces, making it highly sought after by collectors, alongside other years like 1998 BA 2541 and 1999 BA 2542. Error coins such as those with incorrect planchets or alignments like double overs and double reverse or wrong metal are also exceptionally rare and valuable. K-Rare 10 baht coins by mintage 1990 BA 2533, only 100 pieces yung ginawa or ang mintages, making it a tough contender for rarity. Number 2, 1998 BA 2541, a low mintage of 980,000 pieces yung mintages. And the number 3, the 1999 BA 2541, a mintage of 1,030,000 pieces. Other rare and valuable types. Error coins. Coins struck on the wrong metal copper instead of bimetallic or with incorrect features like double-sided designs are extremely scarce and command high prices. Specific commemoratives, while standard circulating coins are common, special commemorative issues can be rare if they had low production runs or unique features. How to identify rare coins or rare ones? Number 1, check the year. Look for those specific low mintage years, BA 2533, BA 2541, and BA 2542. Number 2, examine for errors. Feel the weight. Check the designs, symmetry, and compare into normal coins for any mistakes in minting. Number 3, consult resources website like NGC, Coin and Namista provide detailed list and information. Magandang oras sa ating lahat guys. At sana nakatulong ako guys. At nakatulong sa inyo ang ating video na ginawa guys. Huwag kalimutan guys, mag-like, comment, and share. God bless sa ating lahat guys.